Hello friends, welcome to the Heavenly Class, a unique space where inspiring insights from lives. I'm Father Mark, and in this class, we dive into something that we all need to take note of, not just for our physical wellness, but also for our mental and spiritual well-being. The 8 laws of health. These are not just good habits, but they are divine principles given by God Himself to help us live longer, healthier, happier, and more fulfilling lives. So stay with me till the end as we uncover God's perfect plan for our health. The very first law and the first principle that we are going to talk about is nutrition. And not just nutrition, but proper nutrition. We are what we eat, and the food we take can either build us up or break us down. Every meal that we choose is an opportunity to nourish and respect the body God has given us. God designed our bodies to thrive on best foods that are natural, healthy, and full of life. God says in Genesis chapter 1, verse 29 that, "Behold, I have given you every herb bearing seed. To you it shall be for food." From the very beginning, God intended us to eat plant-based foods, and this includes vegetables, fruits, nuts, and grains. Science today confirms that these foods lower chances of diseases and they keep us healthy and energized. So choose foods that honor our bodies, which are the temple of God. Very well. The second law and the second principle that we are going to talk about is exercise. Did you know that our bodies are made for movement? Regular exercise strengthens our hearts, improves our blood circulation, and also it even helps with our mental health. Exercise is very essential, not just for weight management, but also for strengthening our body and also highly recommended for managing stress. Regular exercise is very important for overall well-being. Whether you walk, run, stretch, dance, or work, movement keeps your body strong and your mind clear. So get moving every day. The third principle that we are going to talk about is water. And basically, water is life, and our bodies are composed of around 60% water. And water is very important for well functioning of our bodies. Jesus himself spoke of the life-giving power of water in John chapter 4, verse 14, that whoever drinks of the water that I am going to give him will never thirst. Drink water regularly and let it cleanse and refresh you. Pure water is very essential for our health because it helps and keeps our body detoxified, it improves digestions, and also it keeps us energized and allowing our cells to function properly. Basically, water is life. So make sure to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of pure and clean water every day for your own good. The fourth law of health is sunlight. Did you know that sunlight is a natural healer? Sunlight helps our bodies produce vitamin D, which strengthens our bones, boosts our immunity, and also improves our mood. So make sure to get at least 15 to 30 minutes of sunlight daily. Don't be afraid to bask in the warmth of the sun, be it in the morning or in the evening. It not only strengthens your physical health, but also reminds you of God's glory and grace shining over you each day. The fifth law of health that we are talking about is temperance. Temperance means practicing self-control and moderation in all things, knowing to say no and choosing balance. The book of 1 Corinthians chapter 9 verse 25 tells us that, "And everyone who competes for the prize is temperate in all things. In whatsoever you do, whether you eat, drink, or anything, do it all to the glory of God." Even good things should be enjoyed in moderation, and when we are disciplined in our habits, we honor God in our bodies. The sixth principle and the sixth law of health is air. Air is very important and very essential for our health. It strengthens our immune system, clears our minds, and fills us with energy. Make time for deep breathing exercises and spend time in nature for clean and fresh air. Let's avoid dusty and smoky places at all costs for the good of our health. The seventh law of health is rest. Getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night helps our body repair and refresh. Rest itself is a divine principle. Not only do we need daily sleep, but God also gave us a weekly day of rest because He understood very well that we need this rest. Even our Almighty God rested after finishing all His work, and He also directed us to rest ourselves from our weekly duties. Rest is God's special gift. a time to step away from stress and have a personal reconnect with God. So don't neglect rest. It's very important for both physical and spiritual well-being. So always ensure that you get enough sleep and enough rest for yourself. And it's very important for your mind, spirit, and your soul. The final principle and the final law for a good health is trust in God. Proverbs chapter 3, verse 5 to 6 tells us that trust in God with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him and he shall direct your paths. Anxiety, stress, and worry can damage our health. But when we trust in God, he gives us peace that surpasses all understanding. Pray, have faith, and surrender all your worries to God. A peaceful and a heart that is free from stress leads to a healthy and sound health. And there you have it, the 8 laws of health, God's perfect blueprint for a vibrant, healthier, and more fulfilling life. Proper nutrition, exercise, water, sunshine, temperance, air, rest, and trusting in God. While spiritual health is paramount, physical health is also very important. That John chapter 2 verse 1 says, Beloved, I pray that you may prosper in all things and be in health, just as your soul prospers. It's only when we are in good health when we can serve God with all our strength. If you have learned something new today, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with a friend, and remember to subscribe to Heavenly Class for more informative content. Stay blessed, and remember, your health is very important and is a gift from God, and so we should all take good care of our health at all costs. See you in our next class.